Hi, this is Joan from Christian Jones Travels. I'm going to take you on a tour of the NCL Bliss Thermal Spa and Locker Room. Hope you like it. This is the women's restroom. Women's locker room. There's nobody in here right now, so you come in and you can get your towels and your robes. Very small. They do have locker rooms with, so I guess I can't video. So this is lockers, and they do have hair dryers. So you just put your number in and off your stuff, and I will stop because somebody's in the restroom. Okay, so this is the women's locker room. So you come in and you have towels and your robes, and lockers are provided. You just put your coat in, and then they have hair dryer, mirrors if you need to. And then they have, this is where the restrooms are. They do have showers. So they have 3 showers. Two regular showers. So they're actually bigger than your room. So, you know, sometimes think about it. If you don't want to shower in your room and you come for the thermal, you can come here and shower. And they do provide, this is for the regular ones, so they just do provide a shower, a body wash, and a shampoo conditioner combo. So here they have the combos. So there's 2 regular showers. And then this one is the handicap shower. So they do provide a handicap shower. So that is that. So this is the women's locker room for the thermal suite for the spa. And it was a nice view. A little smaller than some, but it works. Like I said, you put your stuff in the locker if you need to. They provide your towels. So that is the women's locker room. Just went in, so then you come in here to the thermal suite. The men's locker room is right next door. It's just a mirror image of a men's locker room, I'm sure. And this is the relaxing lounge, which I just took a picture of. So I'll show that. Come into the thermal. This is the thermal suite. Here's some towels and robes provided. Put your towels down there. So this is a quiet area. So you come in, and they do provide water and lemon water and hot water for tea. So they provide tea and water and oranges, so very nice. And they have lounge areas, which is nice, where you sit right outside and look at the view. A whole bunch of set of lounges. Pick your spot. And then these are the heated seats, the stone seats. So these are the ones that are warm. These are the regular ones. And it's always just a nice view. This spot is perfect. You get to sit here, relax, get a view of the wake. And when you're in port, it's always nice. You get to see the port, and when we're leaving the port, it's always a nice view. So this is really nice. I like this. I'm just going to sit here and watch the wake for a second. This is what we do. And they have one hot tub. And they have one colossal pool. More seating. said, it's a very quiet area. Then this is the snow room. It's called Snow Paradise. In here, you're gonna be cold. This is the snow room. Anybody in here? Any crazies? Any crazies? Woohoo! This is cold in here. You can actually make snowballs. You only should be in here for a few minutes, and then you go into the sauna. And this is the salt bath. Nobody wants to take a picture. Somebody's in there. I don't want to bother them. And then this is the steam room. Come in and woohoo! That'd be hot. Now I can't see. And this is the sauna. Somebody's in here, so I'm not going to take a picture from that. But you get the gist. Don't want to bother people. And this is Sanarium. Another one, just a less of a same idea, just not as hot. It's not as hot as a sauna. And of course you shower afterwards if you like. And then here's showers to rinse off. Tropical rain shower. And just your view. Beautiful. Relaxing in here. And relaxing. I'm going to go back in here because I'm going to take a picture. The door is frozen. I come for heat. You come back and you relax in the hot tub and I hope you like this video of the NCL Bliss Thermal Suite. Please like and subscribe. Comment below, let us know what you think. Tell us how you liked it. Give us a thumbs up. Like and subscribe. Bye for now. This is Joan for Chris and Joan's Travels.